Hi, for breakfast it's bacon chive quiche. So this is a really simple recipe. You're going to begin with 6 strips of bacon and you're going to brown that until it's crispy. I actually have about it turns out to be a quarter cup of chives, chopped very fine because they're going to go into the egg dish. And so again, it's about a quarter cup. You're going to use, in this case, I used a store-bought crust. You can make your own crust. You can buy a pre-made crust. It takes 6 eggs, and I'm using 3/4 cups of heavy cream. So this is going to be a very rich recipe. I've taken my store-bought crust and placed it in my pie pan, and I'm going to bake that for about 10 to 12 minutes on 350 degrees so it browns just lightly. And while that's cooking, I'm going to combine my 6 eggs, my 1/2 cup of chives, my heavy cream, and I'm going to mix those together with a 1/2 cup of finely chopped extra sharp cheddar cheese. And so I am now blending or mixing all of those ingredients together, and I'm just setting those aside. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt, maybe a 1/2 teaspoon, and I'm setting that aside while I take out my lightly browned crust. Now it didn't quite fit my pie pan here, so bear with me. I'm going to crumble my bacon into little mini strips, and I'm going to layer those right on the brown pie crust, and then I'm gonna pour the egg mixture over the bacon, and then so we'll put that in the oven, back in the oven at 350 degrees for about another 35 to 40 minutes. Once it's done, you're gonna have a nice deeply brown crust and a light custard egg. That should be delicate and light. The cheese and the bacon and the chives make it a tasty breakfast quiche. And that is my bacon chive